odpływ. Dojebany odpływ.
Piotra, to nie trzeba tego rozebrać do końca, żeby to pomalować?
Nie, ja olewam tam pod
No tu jesteś w ogóle taki jakiś...
Tak, dlatego to olewam.
To chyba nie to nakrętka jest.
Nie, ja to olewam dokładnie.
Jak?
Olewam, no kurwa stary, jak ja będę miał robić całe auto takie,
Się oleje.
to ja ocipieję, tutaj nigdy go nie zrobię.
No ciekawe od czego, to jest jakiś może oil catch tank, czy...
Co?
No to. Tutaj.
Welcome back. Okay, what is done? Last time when you see my car was before like 2 months ago. No,
1 month
one
ago.
month ago. It was before primer coat. We make this full straight OM fenders because I was thinking about, you know, this roll fenders like Japan style, yeah. Don't know the right name of this, but it's like you can show Stanny. It's like 50 millimeters only rolled. Fix hammering, and then roll it with what?
Roller.
A little bit of Bondo here. Yeah, so it's like new, yeah. Next step was under the hood. So everything under the hood is ready, almost ready. We don't have like 3 things. It's like mounting point of fuse box. Second, wow, like some holder from AC parts and my bash bar, yeah. So today I pick up this from Polder Coat Company, and yeah, it's almost ready under the hood. Actually, I can start the engine and no drive. Next step was make straight roof because there was some heat. I don't know if somebody stepped on my roof or something like this, but this time don't do this, please. Much work done. Some said paint the car with doors. So for this, actually, it will be easier or not. So there, everything is ready. Everything is here painted. Actually, also this inside of the door parts. On the trunk part, hide the bonnet, take off the fenders, and paint actually car from here to the back, yeah, in one step. With closed trunk. Because it's here, I can show you. Yeah. So this week I finished the primer on the front fenders. They need some Bondo on them. Next step is primer. So front fenders, 2 front bumpers, trunk, and doors. Only down parts of the doors because the top it's acrylic. One component paint, so you don't need the primer on it. Maybe next week it's ready. Yeah? Ready. The paint is ready because I make this second time in my life, but I watched so many videos on YouTube and asking some friends which do this daily. They gave me some tips, and actually, as you can see, everything looks good. Yeah, not like my Beamer. Yeah. The two is I'm pulling this front fenders. You cannot see this because it's maybe like 10 millimeters or something like this. I'm not sure if these alignments of suspension are right now, but seems like be okay, yeah. So it's like Aaaand, but a little bit better.
Zajebiście, kurwa! So we'll try to do something with the interior and we will prepare for the seduced drift event that is happening at the beginning of next month. Hopefully I can have some fun and finally use the car after all those years. That's my pretty big hope. So if we work on the clutch, do the speakers, maybe clean the interior, since it's ugly as fuck, especially with the side panel of the doors. Shit. And the car needs a very good clean. I will polish the exhaust so it looks perfect, maybe polish the wheels again a little bit since the car was standing all time outside, and if it's standing outside the wheels are getting dirtier every day because of the water standing in them. When you have the camber, the water stays in them, so it's not healthy for the edges. Also, as you saw previously on the mini edit, we've got the stickers ready, so if you want to support the movement, go to the capturethevibe.bigcartel.com, and I appreciate the support very much. Thank you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments how do you like the episode, and leave some good comment for Aren, because he broke himself and got out from the comfort zone to speak in English, which is incredible. I'm sorry these are so short, but we've got a lot of work. I have last 2 weeks of the school before holidays. When the holidays will come, I promise I will be doing as much content as it's possible. I will use every day to make a video. So thank you for watching. If you're curious about our further adventures, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace!